Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do my BOXYCHARM unboxing video. So if you guys want to see what's in my box, then let's get into it. So this is how it comes. The theme for this month is Rock 2018. It also brings this little note card, and this is an ingredient list from Dr. Brandt and For the Pores No More primer. So that's right here. That was like right on top right there. So I'm gonna try this out today because it's cloudy out and it's kind of, it's like cool outside, so it's not gonna be so hot, and it's not, I hope my face doesn't oil up as much as it normally does on a hot regular Florida day. So let's try this out. Let's see if I like it. The price for this is $38, and this is full size. Here on the little description it says, it delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautiful, illuminated, flawless complexion. And on the back of the bottle it says it's for all skin types. I'm gonna put it like that much. You guys can really see it does make your face illuminated. It does have a little bit of shimmer particles in it, but they're so fine, like you can barely notice them like on your face. I mean, I can notice them on my fingers, like because I'm like moving them up and down, but on your face you can't really notice them, but it does make your face very luminous. Put on my foundation. So now in the box I see this big ginormous Grand Metals Crown palette, and this is an eyeshadow palette. Here's how it looks inside. Super beautiful. It's mostly shimmers, and there's only like one matte in here, which is this black one right here. It's black metal. So I'm actually gonna take this Winky Looks palette from last month's box, and I'm gonna combine it with this month's box. I'm gonna start with this palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. That is called Strut. And I'm gonna use this as a transition shade. Next I'm gonna take this shade right here that is called Boots. And I'm just gonna put this in the outer corner. So for this palette, I'm going to use the middle shade. It's called Rebel, and this is a bronzy shade, of course. I always go for bronzes. It's not as pigmented as I would hoped. You can definitely build it up. This is my third time. Now I'm going to take the shade right here. It's called Pop Rock, and I'm going to put this in the inner corners. So my thoughts on this palette, I think it's really cute. You definitely have to build, I don't know about the rest of the colors because I didn't play with all of them. I just played with this one and this one. And I really like this one. It's super cute. You definitely have to build it up to get the intensity that you want. This one is so cute. It's like a good inner corner. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I really like that one for the inner corner. The next thing in the box is this right here, and this is from It Cosmetics. This is their brow powder, and this is the color Universal. Hoping this is good for my eyebrows. So this is how it looks. So you have the brow product in one and then the spoolie in the other one. I've never tried It Cosmetics, so I'm excited to try this, and this retails for $24 and it is full size. So let's try it out. So I definitely like this, and the more pressure you put on the pen, obviously the darker it's gonna look. I didn't put a lot of pressure, like just a tiny little bit, just to get it to like the way I want it to be. It definitely goes with my eyebrows and like my hair and stuff. Yeah, I like that it has a spoolie at the end, and I like that it's retractable. Also, I feel like what would make it a little bit better, because it's kind of like rounded, like a rectangle little round point. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like right there, you see how it is like a little bit too thick for my liking. I would like it to be a little bit thinner, and like the point to be a little bit thinner, so like that you would get more precise with it. You can still get precise with it, but just I would like it to be thinner. That's my only thing. So next we have this Pure Bronze and Brightening, and this retails for $34. So this is the Pure Complexion Authority Bronze and Brightening Cheek Palette. It looks inside, because they'll have the sheen to them. So I'm gonna use the bronzer, but first I'm gonna apply something underneath just so it won't be too shimmery. So I'm gonna dip into the bronzer just a tiny little bit. I'm not gonna grab a lot. Okay, next I'm gonna go into the blush, and I'm just gonna grab a tiniest amount of. So now I'm just gonna take the middle shade, which is the highlight, and I'm gonna use it to highlight my cheekbones. So I really do like the highlights, and I like the bronzer of this palette. I don't really like the blush because I feel like it's too pink for me. It's not on my tones, you know. I'm more like a nude blush type of girl. And this is very intense for me, and it also has that sheen that I don't like to put on my cheeks because I do have pores here and I do have a lot of texture, and putting sheen blush there, it will make that more intense. As you guys can see, all the texture that I have, you guys can definitely notice it. But so yeah, that's why I don't like this blush. But I like the bronzer and I like the highlight. The highlight, it's intense. I really do like it, and you can make it even more intense. For $34, I wouldn't really recommend this because it's not my cup of tea. Like, I only like 2 out of the 3 things, and I definitely think that you can get a better palette out there for that much money. So yes. So this is the last thing in the box. This is the Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint. So let's open it. So this is how it looks, and I got the shade Demure, and this retails for $23, and it is full size as well. Let's try it on. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is what I came up with using all the items in my BOXYCHARM this month. My favorite items in this month's box were definitely the brow powder from IT Cosmetics and the Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint. It looks so beautiful. It doesn't feel drying on the lips, and it dries super fast. I really love this color as well. I love the way my eyebrows look with this brow pencil as well. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!